To create a complete Shopify dropshipping store in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Choose a niche. Research popular and profitable niches and select one that aligns with your interests. 2. Register a domain name. Choose a memorable and brandable domain name that reflects your niche and business. 3. Sign up for Shopify. Create an account on Shopify and select a pricing plan that suits your needs. 4. Customize your store. Use Shopify's built-in themes and customization tools to create a visually appealing and user-friendly storefront. 5. Install apps. Install essential apps such as Oberlo, AliExpress Dropshipping Center, and Google Analytics to streamline your operations and improve your store's functionality. 6. Add products. Use Oberlo to import high-quality products from trusted suppliers and optimize product listings with compelling descriptions, images, and pricing. 7. Set up payment and shipping. Configure payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit cards, and integrate shipping carriers such as USPS or UPS to ensure timely deliveries to customers. 8. Optimize for SEO. Use SEO best practices such as keyword research, meta tags, and content optimization to improve your store's search engine rankings and attract organic traffic. 9. Launch your store. Once you've completed all the necessary setup steps, launch your store and start promoting it through social media, email marketing, or paid advertising campaigns. 10. Monitor performance. Use analytics tools such as Google Analytics or Shopify's built-in analytics dashboard to track key metrics such as traffic, sales, and conversion rates, and use this data to make informed decisions about your store's strategy and growth. In 2024, Shopify is expected to continue expanding its payment options to provide merchants with more flexibility and convenience. Here are some potential payment methods that may become available on the platform. 1. Cryptocurrencies. As more merchants and consumers adopt cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, Shopify may integrate these digital assets as a payment option. This would enable merchants to accept payments in cryptocurrencies and convert them into fiat currency at competitive rates. 2. Digital wallets. With the increasing popularity of digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay, Shopify may partner with these providers to offer merchants the ability to accept payments directly from these wallets. This would streamline the checkout process for customers and reduce the need for manual input of card details. 3. Buy Now, Pay Later, BNPL. BNPL services like Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm are gaining traction as an alternative to traditional credit cards. Shopify may integrate these services into its platform to offer merchants the ability to provide customers with flexible payment options that allow them to pay for their purchases over time. 4. Virtual cards. Virtual cards are a secure and convenient way for customers to make online purchases without revealing their actual card details. Shopify may partner with virtual card providers to offer merchants the ability to accept virtual cards as a payment option. This would provide merchants with an additional layer of security and reduce the risk of fraudulent transactions. Mobile payments. As more consumers make purchases using their smartphones, Shopify may integrate mobile payment options like Google Pay or Samsung Pay into its platform. This would enable merchants to accept mobile payments directly from their storefronts without the need for a separate mobile app or integration.